Welcome back, guys, to this clown's garage. In this video I will be showing you how to take a riveted ball joint off. Now this is an upper control arm. These are also found on lower control arms. What we're going to do here is we're going to take a cutoff wheel, get an X, put an X on all these three on top of the heads, and then take a chisel and chisel them off. There's different ways of doing this. You can also drill through these and pop them off, but I like this method better. So let's begin. And that's all of them. Okay, now you can also do this with an air chisel, but you can also do it by hand like I am doing it now. And that's real time, folks. Only took about a minute to chisel that off. So I'm just going to go ahead and knock those off too. Now I'm going to try to chisel between the plate of the ball joint and where the controller arm meets, just to pry it up a little bit. There you go. Pry it up a little bit. I'm going to work around it. Okay, now this plate's up a little bit. What I like to do next is I'm just going to cut this front rivet off completely. Then I can just drill that one out and take out the rest. And that rivet's completely cut off. Rivets are soft, by the way, so you do quick work with that. I didn't even touch the lower control arm. That's a clean cut. Now I'm gonna tap the chisel all the way through the front. Work my way around. That's almost out. There you go. Let's take a pry bar, it should come right out. There you go. And she's out. And now these two, try to hammer them out. That's one. And that's two. And now this one, probably have to drill it out. So let me drill that out real quick. And start drilling her. It looks like it has a bit of a head on there. So I'm just going to grind that off real quick. Now try it with the punch. I didn't go all the way through with the drill bit, so there's somewhere for this to grab and knock that out. Just like that. And the new one, you just put it back like the old one, and usually it comes with bolts. I also like to put a little bit of blue or red thread locker on these bolts when I put them in, and that's it. Job well done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, share me, and like me. See ya!